Hello everyone, pause it on this screen and make sure you have the following supplies before you get started. Alright, let's get started. So now you want to decide what color you want to do your background. I decided to go with a very light pastel like orange. I added about a quarter size of orange and doubled up on the white. Please make sure you are adding some type of support to your easel. Alright, step 1, paint that first layer on your background. Don't forget to paint those sides, and now we're going to let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 2, apply a second coat to the background. If you didn't make enough, just try your best to remake some more. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let me stop playing. All right, step 3, we're going to paint the leaf. Now you want to pay attention to staying inside of those lines or going right over that line. All right, we're going to let it dry again for 10 to 15 minutes. This will be our second to last break. Step 4, apply a second coat to the leaf. All right, this is our last break. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so we're all going to take a lesson from my mistake real quick. If you are going to write letters over your leaf, make sure you count the letters, split it in half, decipher or decide where your middle point is, because this was not it. I thought I could just go on, which led to an even greater creation. I painted over it because you cannot make mistakes in art. You just have to find different ways to fix it. If you would like to add that drip effect like I did here, I simply soaked my brush in the water, mixed it in my paint so that it loosened the paint, and then just pressed in the spaces that I want the paint to drip. And because I made this mistake, I had to let it dry again. All right, so now that I understand how many letters I have in this top and bottom row, I split that, decided where my middle ground was, and went on. You can also use a pencil to sketch out your design, and feel free to Google a saying. I decided to go with keep going, keep growing. You could also do belief in yourself or whatever you choose. Congratulations, you have completed your painting.